In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily activate Hey Siri on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. Then scroll down until you find Siri and Search, and then at the very top we need to tap at Listen for. To activate Hey Siri, we need to choose one of two options. The first one will allow us to say Siri or Hey Siri to activate Siri, and the second one allows us to activate it just when saying Hey Siri. I'm gonna choose the first one, and now we need to tap at Continue to configure it. Now we are asked to read the text from the screen so that Siri can better understand us in the future. Siri, I'm gonna try again. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Once it is done, hit Add Done, and then you can check how it works. Siri, what's the weather now? As you can see, it shows me current weather forecast. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.